Video of what appears to be a violent arrest made by Immigration and Customs Enforcement officers in Suffolk is making its rounds on social media. Tonight, we hear from a local politician as well as the detainee's lawyer about the arrest. Here's 10 on your side, Cheyenne Pagan.
This all happened on Monday in this grassy area near the entrance of the Sentara BelleHarbour campus in Suffolk. The video is going viral on social media. It shows ICE officers violently detaining Victor Perez Martin, according to Northern Virginia immigration attorney James Reyes. Reyes was retained by community members to represent Perez Martin after the video made rounds on social media.
When he told me he was hit on several occasions, it didn't register that when I saw that video. This was quite horrifying to see.
He says Perez Martin came to the United States from Guatemala in 2021 and had been a construction worker in the area for the last 5 years with no criminal history. Reyes says Perez Martin was not a patient at the facility and believes he was stopped by agents nearby.
At no point did that seem to be the appropriate reaction from law enforcement officers based on what we were seeing, which is a gentleman holding his hands up, not resisting arrest. You have, I believe, 4 ICE agents on him with another one shortly on the way. One individual gave several blows to what appeared to be the rib cage. Another agent was kneeing the individual in the back.
Perez Martin has been placed in immigration proceedings, and Reyes says he was so distressed from what happened, he signed for a voluntary departure to leave the U.S. Reyes says since this was done in duress, he worked to have this revoked and had Perez Martin placed in removal proceedings so he can initiate the process to stay in the country.
Where we're at this stage is a petition for habeas corpus in the Eastern District of Virginia. That is in front of a federal judge at this time. We expect an order perhaps sometime in the following week, and at that stage we should be able to pursue bond.
Reyes says he has been working to get Perez Martin medical attention, but does not believe he has gotten any since being taken into custody 5 days ago. We have reached out to the Department of Homeland Security for a statement about the situation, and we have not received a response. Meanwhile, Ted on Your Side showed the video to Congressman Bobby Scott.
We have to be careful about commenting on videos without knowing whether it's real or not. There have been some artificial intelligence created videos, but the kind of activity in that video is not any different than what happened in Minnesota.
Now we're told there will be a protest here in this area on Sunday at 4 p.m. In Suffolk, Cheyenne Pagan, 10 on Your Side.